Welcome back, my beloved friends. It's your favorite Easy Dev. How you guys doing today? I know many of us are very bullish on dogs, and like myself as well, I'm very bullish too. So today I will be showing us how we could withdraw our dogs to our Bybit. So let's go. So open our dogs app. So click deposit to exchange. Then we're going to choose exchange instead of wallet in Telegram. Then choose Bybit. And guys, make sure that whatever exchange you are using, make sure it is verified. Whether using OKX or using Bybit. So we want to get our Bybit UID, our dog's address, and our memo. So let's go. So click deposit at the top right. Then click deposit crypto. Then we'll type in dogs to get our dog's address and memo. Course return. So make sure that we are inputting this rightfully, no mistakes. So we copy and paste our dog address. Then we also go and copy our memo and paste it. Then we're going to get our UID. So click on the profile there, you get it, you copy it. Yeah. So please, as we are doing it, make sure that we are imputing the right addresses, the right memo, the right UID. Is very applicable to also those using OKX exchange. So our deposit is in progress. Thank you very much for watching. Your favorite Easy